Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to complete our exercise 4.1 of our chapter called probability. Okay. So we have already understood about the what is probability and the probability of getting head or tails of one coin or two head or two tails or one head and one tail from tossing the two coins together, and the probability of getting any dot from 1 to 6 of the die, and also we have understood about the probability of getting cards. For that we have understood the different types of cards present on the pack of 52. Okay, so on that basis we are going to complete our practice set 1. It is 4.1. Okay, so the first question says, Vinita knows the following sites in Maharashtra and she is planning to visit one of the following in her summer vacation. Okay, so what is the probability of choosing any one of the place from the given? Okay, so for that we have to understand the number of places she knows. Okay, so the number of places is 1 is Ajanta, then second is Mahabaleshwar, third is Lunar Sarovar, fourth is the Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, it is fourth one, then Amboli is fifth one, Raigad is sixth one, Matheran is seventh one, and Anandvan is eighth one. Okay, so she knows total 8 places in Maharashtra. Okay, so total place she knows is 8, and she want to visit. She will visit and visit place to visit the place is 1. So probability of choosing one places from the given 8 will be, therefore the probability of choosing one of the following, probability of choosing one from the following one from the 8 places. 8 is, it is 1 divided by 8. Okay, it is 1 divided by 8. Okay, so this is our answer. Now, second question says, any day of a week is to be selected randomly. Okay, so we know, see, number of days is we have to select 1. So number of day we have to select is 1. Total number of days in week is equals to 7. Okay, so we have to select only one day starting from Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday or Sunday. So we have 7 days. So we have to choose one place only. Okay, so the probability of choosing one day from the week is 1 divided by 7. Okay, so 1 divided by 7 is the probability. That means 1 out of 7. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? 1 out of 7. Okay, now next one. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. Okay, so 52 cards में से हमको सिर्फ एक कार्ड चूज करना है. So probability will be 1 divided by 52. Okay, therefore to choose card, to choose one card from 52 cards or from pack of 52 cards is, it is 1 divided by 52. Okay, it is a probability of choosing one card. Okay, now last one number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Okay, so there are different cards, they are numbered like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So total number of cards we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So total we have 11 cards. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, sorry, 19 is repeated. So, no, 17, 18, it is 19 and 20. So total card we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So total number of cards are 11. And to choose only one card from the following, the probability will be, therefore the probability of choosing one card from 10 to 20 will be it is 1 divided by 11. Okay, so we have all the answer, that is 1 by here 8, here we have 1 by 7, then we have 1 by 52, and the fourth answer for the fourth question is 1 by 11. Okay, so this is the way we have to solve the practice set 4.1. Okay, so it is the logical based question on the practice set 4.1 and they are really very easy one. Okay, so try to solve these questions on your own once at home, or you just keep repeat this video once time so that you will understand this practice set very easy. Okay, so write down this part. So students, today we are completing our session here itself. Okay, so in next video we will meet again with the new part of this chapter. Okay, so bye for now.